Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am back with a very exciting haul video for you all. By the title itself, you guys would have guessed it. Yes, it is the Amazon jewelry haul collection. I love jewelry, guys. You already know by now that I am obsessed with jewelry. I have a huge collection with me, and yeah, I wanted to share it. Certain pieces which I picked up from Amazon. I actually like these pieces. Hence, I'm going to talk about more in detail. So let's just dive into today's video without any further ado. So the first brand which I have is the yellow Chimes. I absolutely love their product and the quality is amazing. There are three brands which I actually go for: Yellow Chime, YOUBELLA and Jewel Galaxy. These are my go-to brand on Amazon. I absolutely love their quality. This is the earring which I'm talking about. This is the statement piece. Absolutely love it. It has a green and turquoise blue sort of a stone mix earring, and this is a statement piece. Very lightweight, not at all heavy. So the next product which I have is from the brand YOUBELLA. Of course, I had to get the product from YOUBELLA. The pricing what they mention on Amazon, I just don't agree because it is super expensive. It is written here as $9.99. Frankly speaking, guys, it is not that worth. Okay, so you need to get them on discount. So this is what I'm talking about, the earring. This is a collection of hoops. I never own any pearl earring, pearl sort of hoops, so I wanted to get my hands on this. It is a beautiful, guys. As you can see here, the quality is again very good, and yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, then of course I cannot miss out on getting my hands on Jewel Galaxy. Of course, I got another set of earring from Jewel Galaxy. Basically, they also have a statement piece, sort of a collection. I am in love with this piece, guys. You will be like, wow, this is a beautiful statement piece. As you can see here, this is how it looks. Can't wait to style this earring. I actually ordered during the time of Valentine. It came, but it was broken, so I had to replace it. This is a beautiful statement piece, guys. I love it. Moving on, I also picked a few oxidized jewelry which I'm gonna show you. Choker set. This is how it looks. Love it. I can't wait to pair these with Indian ethnic wear. They're very bright and very vibrant color. Moving on, I also picked a few western jewelries from Zaveri Pearl. Most of the time I always shop Zaveri Pearl, like Indian ethnic wear, Indian ethnic jewelry, sorry, but this time I wanted to get my hands on the western side. But I'm kind of disappointed with the product quality as well as the product which was displayed on the website. It is not the same, guys. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. So here is the product which I ordered. These are the set of earrings. You get 3 earrings, and you can see here how it actually looks on the website. It looks slightly bigger. They are so tiny, guys. I can't even tell you, but it's okay sort of a earrings for me. I mean, not wow factor, so I would not recommend anyone to try these. The next product which I got from Zaveri Pearl is again a combo earring, and I am so excited to try this. If you have seen my previous Zaveri Pearl, I had a huge butterfly, like a half side of butterfly. So these are the super cute quirky earring. These are bird earring. If you remember, I also have a butterfly earring. These are super quirky, guys. I love these. I really like the quality of this earring. I like this design which is in the center. Very nice statement piece, not too small, not too big. Very nice medium size earring which can go for your evening wear. Love it. Also, I picked up few oxidized jewelry, as I mentioned. So this came in this box. This is the lotus shaped choker. This is how it looks. Let me just open this for you. And it also comes with the stud earring lotus. Love it. And this is also from YOUBELLA, if I'm not wrong. I don't know. I'm gonna put the link in the description box. You can have a look, guys. This is how it looks. I also picked up these jhumkis. They are very big in size. Love these earrings. So excited to try them. I don't have anything like this. I do have jhumkis, but not something like this. They are very lightweight, very good quality, as you can see here. Not to forget the one which I'm wearing it right now. This is a beautiful statement choker, or I don't know what do you call this. Is a neck statement piece. I love it. I hope this is in stock. Most of the time this is out of stock, guys. It just sits on your neck like this. I absolutely love it. I hope this is in stock. I'm still gonna put the link in the description box. You can check out, guys. With that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's haul video. Do let me know which is your favorite jewelry piece which I showed today. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye, guys.